Hello everyone, and welcome back to Let's Learn. Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered, why is it cloudy today? Or, is it really going to rain like the app says? Well, today we're diving into the incredible science that answers all those questions and more. We're exploring the world of meteorology. So what exactly is meteorology? Put simply, it's the scientific study of our atmosphere. It's the science that deciphers the sky's secrets, helping us understand everything from a gentle breeze to a powerful hurricane. It's all about weather processes and, crucially, forecasting what's coming next. Think of it as the ultimate weather detective story. And we're about to meet the detectives. The amazing scientists who study our atmosphere are called meteorologists. They are the heroes who piece together clues from the sky. But they don't just stare at the clouds. They use an impressive arsenal of high-tech tools. We're talking about satellites orbiting high above the Earth, giving us that bird's-eye view of swirling storm systems. They launch weather balloons that travel up into the atmosphere, collecting vital data on temperature, humidity, and wind speed. On the ground, powerful radar systems scan the skies, tracking raindrops and snowflakes in real time. And to put it all together, they use supercomputers running complex models that simulate the atmosphere's behavior, allowing them to predict what the weather will be like hours, days, and even weeks in advance. It's a fascinating blend of observation and cutting-edge technology. The work these meteorologists do is incredibly important. Their forecasts are much more than just a hint to grab an umbrella. They are critical warnings that help us prepare for dangerous and extreme weather events. When you hear about an approaching hurricane, a severe thunderstorm warning, or an impending heat wave, that's meteorology in action, giving communities precious time to prepare, evacuate, and protect themselves. These forecasts save countless lives and prevent billions of dollars in damages every year. So next time you check the weather, take a moment to appreciate the science and the scientists working behind the scenes to keep you safe and informed. Now, you might be surprised to learn that meteorology isn't just one single field. It's actually a family of specialized sciences, each looking at the atmosphere from a different angle. First up, we have synoptic meteorology. This is probably what you think of when you see a weather map on the news. It focuses on large-scale weather systems that span hundreds or even thousands of miles, like those big high and low pressure areas that march across continents, dictating our weather for days on end. It's the big picture of weather. Then, for those who love physics and math, there's dynamic meteorology. This branch gets into the nitty-gritty of atmospheric motion. It uses complex equations to understand how air moves, how energy is transferred from the sun to the earth and through the atmosphere, and what fundamental forces create our weather patterns. It's the physics engine that powers our planet's climate. Next, we have climatology. While meteorology often focuses on short-term weather, climatology zooms out to look at the long-term picture. Climatologists study weather patterns over months, years, decades, and even centuries to understand a region's climate and how it's changing over time. Their work is absolutely essential for understanding climate change and its global impact. Finally, there's applied meteorology. This is where the science meets the real world in a very direct way. This branch takes all that amazing weather data and applies it to specific industries. For example, in agriculture, weather forecasts help farmers decide the best time to plant, irrigate, and harvest their crops, maximizing food production. In aviation, pilots rely on detailed wind and storm forecasts to ensure safe and efficient flights. Even marine navigation depends heavily on meteorology to help ships avoid dangerous seas and storms. From farming to flying, applied meteorology is working behind the scenes, making our world safer and more efficient. So, why does all of this matter to you and me? Because weather influences nearly every single aspect of our daily lives. It dictates the clothes we choose to wear in the morning, affects our travel plans, and even impacts our mood. On a larger scale, it determines where we can build our cities and how we grow our food. Understanding meteorology isn't just for scientists, it's for all of us. The better we understand our atmosphere, the better we can prepare for its challenges. Thanks to the continuous advancements in meteorology, we can anticipate severe weather, protect our communities, and make smarter decisions for a sustainable future. It's a science that empowers us all. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the clouds today. If you found this explanation of meteorology helpful and interesting, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with a curious friend, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next learning adventure. Thanks for watching Let's Learn, and I'll see you in the next video.